Good afternoon, students. We are discussing structure determination and stereochemistry of reserpine. In the last class, we done structure determination of reserpine and reserpic acid. In this video, we are going to discuss iobarin structure and stereochemistry of reserpic acid. First, let us see iobarin. Iobarin molecular formula C19H16N2. C19H16N2. This is coming from when reserpic acid treated with methanol result methyl reserpate. The methyl reserpate undergo selective dehydrogenation result iobarin takes place. So first let us see what is reserpine and what is reserpic acid. We already know structure of reserpine. So this is the first ring. First ring looks like anisole. Second ring is indole consisting ring, indole ring. And third ring is looks like a nitrogen containing ring. Fourth ring is fused with third. Fifth ring is fused with the fourth. Fifth ring have C double bond O OCH3, C double bond O OCH3. Then this is OCH3 and this side oxygen C double bond O and trimethoxy phenyl group OCH3, OCH3 and OCH3. This is the reserpine structure. Reserpine when undergoes hydrolysis, basic hydrolysis result reserpic acid. We already know reserpic acid structure looks like this is OH. Oxygen is converted into OH and here C double bond is added to OH, carboxylic group and OH group. So that is a reserpic acid. Reserpic acid when treated with a methanol followed by selective dehydrogenation gives iobarin. So reserpic acid when treated with methanol result methyl reserpate. Same group is added to carboxylic acid result methyl reserpate. That methyl reserpate undergoes selective dehydrogenation gives rise to iobarin. Iobarin molecular formula C19H16N2. To know total structure of reserpic acid and the stereochemistry of reserpic acid, we have to study, we are essential to study iobarin structure and different types of reactions from iobarin structure. First, iobarin C19H16N2 undergoes oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate. This is oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate result phthalic acid COOH and COOH. This is the phthalic acid. The formation of phthalic acid and second reaction, same iobarin C19H16N2 iobarin undergoes oxidation process. This is a strong oxidizing reagent and chromium trioxide is a weak oxidizing reagent compared to potassium permanganate. This is also oxidation reaction, oxidation process. And resulting compound is orthotolic acid CH3 and COOH. This is orthotolic acid. Orthotolic acid. And finally iobarin undergoes distillation process in presence of zinc dust. Distillation process result two components. First compound is looks like this is 3-ethyl indole. 3-ethyl indole plus isoquinoline takes place. Isoquinoline. This is isoquinoline. based on formation of phthalic acid and orthotolic acid and 3-ethyl indole and isoquinoline. Eubarin have this type of structure. That is looks like this is a benzene ring. Benzene adjacent ring is always indole ring. Then this is looks like another ring, and next this is looks nitrogen. This is a Eubarin structure, and here one methyl group. This is a Eubarin. Eubarin have a molecular formula C19H16N2. Eubarin is a main skeleton in reserpic acid. Reserpic acid is one of the part in reserpine. So to know the structure of reserpine, we done the study of reserpic acid. To know the structure of reserpic acid, we have to study Eubarin. Eubarin is a main skeleton in reserpic acid. Reserpic acid is a part of reserpine. This is a Eubarin information. Next, let us see stereochemistry of reserpic acid. Stereochemistry of reserpic acid. First, let us calculate number of chiral centers in reserpic acid. And numbering also. First, let's take a numbering is looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. In this structure, first chiral center is a third carbon atom is the first chiral center, 15th carbon atom and 16th carbon atom and 17th carbon atom, 18th carbon atom and 20th carbon atom. So number of chiral centers in reserpic acid is C3, C15, C16, C17, C18, C20. So total number of chiral centers are 6. We already know formula. Total number of stereoisomers 2 to the power of n. Number of stereoisomers we can calculate based on 2 to the power of n. Here n is equal to number of chiral centers. Result 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64 stereoisomers. 64 stereoisomers occurred from reserpic acid. So reserpic acid also have main two stereoisomers, that is reserpic acid and isoreserpic acid. In reserpic acid, 16th and 18th asymmetric centers, 16th asymmetric center have a carboxylic group and 18th asymmetric center have a OH group in reserpic acid. If the two groups are present at the equatorial position, so that structure is said to be isoreserpic acid. COOH and OH group both present at axial position, that structure is said to be reserpic acid. So compared to reserpic acid, isoreserpic acid is the most stable because of two main groups present at equatorial position. So this is total structure determination and stereochemistry of reserpine, including reserpic acid and Eubarin. In the next video we will discuss structure and stereochemistry of abitic acid.